AI is paying people every day, and a lot of people are using AI to achieve seamless results every day and making thousands of dollars from the use of AI. Now, I want to show you how you too can use AI for yourself and become part of those people that AI will be paying. Now, if you look at this place, you can see this is ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and other AIs a whole lot, and I use them for profitability to get results and then make more money from my online journey. Now, in today's video, I want to show you how you can make money using AI tools. Even as a beginner, you don't need any experience. Now, with AI tools, you don't need experience. In fact, as a matter of fact, I see AI as a tool that is designed for those people without any experience or for those people who don't have any experience. All you just need to do is to learn how to use this AI, know how to get prompts that will get your job done, and you're good to go and you make money from use of AI. So let me show you practical ways that you can apply AIs in this video and make good money for yourself. And by the way, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, this is Blockchain Plus. In this place, I teach you everything about how to make money online and become financially free for yourself. So you come here to learn ways of making money online. You go out there, you create your own, and you start making money for yourself. And when you start making money, do not forget to bring your tithe to the storehouse. All right, with that said, please do make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, also give it a like, drop your comment, telling me what aspect of this video you really enjoyed, and most importantly, do not fail to share it with your friends, and also turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you can watch them. So yeah, I hope you have subscribed, and if you have done that, now let's go over to our video of today. So I'll be showing you several ways that you can apply AI online to make money for yourself. Now let's look at the first one. So the first one here is to use AI to write content for businesses. Now let me tell us the truth. Businesses don't care how you get the content, how you write, however you generate or whatever you do to get them the content. What they care about is the quality of the content and how it resonates with their audience. That is what businesses care about. Is the content quality enough that it can drive home the idea that they want to pass to their audience? Is the content quality enough that is going to generate them leads, sales, and results? That is all the businesses want to know. They don't want to know how you get the content. That is what you need to understand. And when you understand it, you now know that you can use AI to write content for any businesses, deliver this content to them. And don't forget also that you need to understand how to fine-tune content. Because when you write with AIs like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Gemini or any other one, you need to understand that you need to fine-tune this content to drive home the idea that the businesses want. You get? So you use AI to write this content for these businesses. Make sure that the content is quality enough, is unique to them. That is all that matter. Whatever business it is, whether it's Fortune 500 business, it's a startup business, it's any business, use AI to write content for them and drive home their idea and get them sales, and they will come back to you. You get? So how do you get these businesses? You can get businesses from local places, from your environment around you, from people selling around you, people that don't have time to write content for their business or for their social media. You can use AI to be doing all of this. You can also get this businesses from online, from Twitter, from LinkedIn, even from Facebook, right? So that is what you need to do. Now let's look at it, number 2 on our list. So another way you can also apply AI to make money for yourself is creating social media posts with AI and Canva. Now, after writing this content, you sometimes, in fact, most of the times, you don't just use the content like that. You need to use it to create social media posts, maybe for LinkedIn, for Instagram, for TikTok, for Facebook, and all of that, and for Twitter. You get. So most of the times you need to use um another platform like Canva to also create these social media posts. So when you use AI and Canva, your work becomes superb and unique. You get, because you use AI to generate this content. You use Canva. Canva also is an AI platform to also make the content more professional. So when you do all of this, it makes your work easier and you make more money for yourself instead of just struggling, thinking from your head, what content am I going to write? Thinking from your head, how am I going to do this design? Use Fiverr. Sorry, use Canva and AI to get this job done and get it done on time so that you make more sales for yourself. Now let's look at the third one on our list. So the third one is starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now there are lots of people making thousands of dollars from faceless YouTube channels right now. And these people are using AI to do all of this. So you may want to ask, most of this AI requires you to pay money for them before you can start. Yes, you need to pay money, but if you don't have money but you're dedicated, you can use most of the free platforms and start creating small content for yourself. And once you do that and your channel gets monetized and you start making small money, $50, $100, $200, $500, then you can reinvest some into your business because it becomes a business for you, right? And at that point, you can invest into the business and then start scaling your business and start making tens of thousands of dollars from that same business, right? So that is what you need to do when building an AI faceless YouTube channel. So let's look at the fourth one on my list. So here is talking about selling AI generated ebooks, right? So we you can call it AI generated ebooks, but the truth is that when people print the book and they start reading it, they don't know if it was generated by AI. That is just the truth, especially if you write it very well. Like I told us in my previous video where I was talking about 5 legit ways to make money online. If you've not seen that video, just check around here. You're going to see it pop up here. So that video, I told you how I write books on Amazon. I have a lot of books I've written on Amazon and I'm making a lot of money from them. Also, if you don't know how to start on Amazon, also check right here. You're going to see a link that will pop up talking about how to get started on Amazon KDP and start writing book. So watch those videos so that you can know how to start on Amazon KDP and start writing books and making money from there. So I use AI to generate the content of my book. I use AI to generate the title, the subtitle, the outline, and even the content. After generating them, the next thing I will now do is to sit down, read these books, and then start modifying, analyzing, and refining the book to suit how I want it to be, to suit the idea that I want, to suit the target audience that I want. So that is what you need to do after generating with your AI. Use your sense, use your own brain, use your own time, sit down, read this book through, make it suit what you're doing. As a matter of fact, if you're following this channel, I'm going to be showing you different ways that you can achieve this successfully and make good money from Amazon KDP. Now let's look at the last but not the least in our list. So yeah, this place is talking about offering AI services on Fiverr. I have just discussed about how to get started on Fiverr and make money from Fiverr. If you've not seen that video, it's going to pop up here, or you also check the description. I'm going to drop the link to them on the description of this video. So talking about AI services on Fiverr, there are a lot of people who offer AI services on Fiverr. Now let me even tell you one of them. One of them is article writing, content writing. Like I told you, businesses does not care about how you write the content. All they care about is the quality of the content. Does it suit their audience? Does it drive home their idea? That is what they care about. So you can use AI to write your content and business is going to love it. You understand? And it's going to make your work also very fast and easy to deliver. So use Fiverr. Go to Fiverr. If you go to Fiverr, you're going to see a lot of AI these things, services you can offer on Fiverr. Even using CapCut, you can use CapCut as an AI to offer service. You can also use Canva as an AI to offer service. You can also use vidIQ as an AI to offer service for those of us who want to be creating what is it called now? YouTube thumbnails. So you can use ChatGPT and vidIQ to generate YouTube thumbnails as a service on Fiverr. So if I just come to this place right now and come to my Fiverr, if I go to YouTube thumbnail, you can see it right here. So this is YouTube thumbnail. You can see faceless YouTube editor. So there are a lot of things you can do. You can see right here. These are all thumbnail. You can look at this. If you look at this is AI generated. This thumbnail is looking like an AI generated thumbnail. Even this one is an AI generated thumbnail. Because if you look at this is Elon Musk, right? So that is an AI generated thumbnail. Even this one too is an AI generated. This is an AI generated. You can see that a lot of people are using AI to generate thumbnails for themselves. So you can set that as a service on YouTube on Fiverr and say I will generate like this one. I said I will design professional YouTube thumbnails in 3 hours. Of course, most of them don't design it. You get they just use AI to generate all of this thumbnail. You can see look at this person, $10 and he has sold over 1,000 and his reviews at 4.9. This person also $10 he has sold over 1,004.9. There are different people. You can see YTH group. This is Sago. You can see this one $55 service starting at $55 over 1,000 and the service is at 5.0. You can see. So these are easy things that you can do. And when you start with the free tools, like I said, you can now work your way into using the what paid tools for all of these things. And it's easy to actually use the free tools. Then when you start making money, you can now start paying for some of them and then using them to deliver more professional jobs. So that is it, guys. Like I said, you don't need to be an expert. Just know how to use these tools, and it's easy to know how to use these tools. Just write whatever you want and be able to read and understand what is happening in those places, and you're good to go. And before you know, you start making good money for yourself. So, guys, I hope you've learned a lot from this particular one. Let me know if you've started using AI for any of your content or for any of the things you're doing online. Just drop it in the comment section and tell me how you use AI to achieve your everyday work in the online space. Alright guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you have subscribed to this channel and you've also gained a lot from this particular video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.